So this is Burney Falls, California. About to do this hike to get to the lower falls. Super hot day today, it's so nice. Got my Hawaiian ginger ale, it's one of my favourites. It's a bit high on the sugar, but it's got ginger in it. So down. It's about $10 on parking, but it's well worth the view. It's just a little hike to get down to the falls. So we can get lower now. This was on one of the most beautiful waterfalls here in America. It was on one of the top lists, so that's why I realised it's only an hour and 15-minute drive away from me. So I thought I got to see this. Especially if I'm going to be moving to Florida next week or next month, whenever I decide to actually do that huge move. It's definitely worth seeing all the hot spots of North Cali before it gets cold. It's going to actually snow in about 3 months' time, probably. In Shasta, so we're walking down. Super warm day today. Oh, I would normally bring my hat, but I thought it was going to be a bit windy or cold. There was actually an earthquake here. I think it was like a week ago. I was actually going to come in then, but it threw me off. It was like a 5.5 magnitude earthquake. I was about, I can't remember how many miles away, an hour and a 15-minute drive away, so I felt it. This is what I love about living in North Cali. You know, there's not only is there some beautiful waterfalls, but there's tons of hikes that you can do here. Just being in nature. Like one of my favourites was Camp the Meadows, where the native Indians would hang out. It's very spiritual, and I live near the root shackle for now. So nice. Look at that. Wow. Feel that fresh air as well.